Yes, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. बिल्कुल। अपने एमएससी फोर्थ सेमेस्टर का जो प्रोजेक्ट है उसका टॉपिक आपने मुझे लिखाया है।
Yes.
यस।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Biofuel production. Sir, dress complete formal
यस
पहन के
यूनिफॉर्म।
जाने.
यस यूनिफॉर्म।
And sir,
फॉर्मल।
shoes are also formal.
यस फॉर्मल यूनिफॉर्म पहन के जाना है।
Shoes भी sir.
शूज तो आप उस पे यूज करते हैं ना। शूज तो नहीं यूज किए जाते। सिंपल स्लीपर होना चाहिए।
Okay, sir.
है ना। क्योंकि फॉर्मल आप यूज करेंगे तो शूज तो अलाउड नहीं होते ना उसमें।
ठीक है सर.
फॉर्मल में आप क्या पहन के जाएंगे ये डिसाइड करता है ना, उस पर डिपेंड करता है। जैसे तो साड़ी वगैरह यूज करते हैं लेकिन वो यूपीएससी वगैरह में ठीक रहता है। जीएस इसमें बीआरसी साइंटिस्ट में नहीं सही। इसमें तो फॉर्मल आप यूज कर लेना जो भी यूनिफॉर्म हो। बस कलर रेड नहीं होना चाहिए, ब्लैक ग्रीन नहीं होना चाहिए बस। बाकी कोई भी यूज कर सकते हो।
होना चाहिए सर.
यस।
ब्लैक.
ब्लैक
ब्लैक.
रेड और ग्रीन कलर नहीं होना चाहिए।
ओके सर.
है ना?
सर जीन और शर्ट
नहीं
का
जीन्स और
सोच रही थी.
शर्ट नहीं अलाउ नहीं है।
शर्ट.
शर्ट आप यूज कर सकते हैं अगर आपका जो पेंट्स फॉर्मल होगा डाउन साइड।
ये सर फॉर्मल शर्ट.
फॉर्मल हो। जीन्स अलाउड नहीं है।
ओके
सिंपल
सर.
जो पैंट होता है फॉर्मल वाला वो यूज कर सकते हैं और शर्ट यूज कर सकते
ओके सर.
हैं। यस मैं स्टार्ट आज टॉपिक कोऑर्डिनेशन। यस।
यस सर.
यस लेट बी स्टार्ट। ब्रीफली इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Sir, my name is Avantika. I belong to Hisar, which is in Haryana. I have completed my 10th and 12th from Hisar, and I have completed my chemistry honors in M.Sc. from Guru Jambeshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar.
यस गुड। यस योर नेम इज अवंतिका। यस व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ योर नेम एक्सप्लेन।
So, name of Avantika is to blossom in every season, and it means that to remain equanimous in good or bad situation.
यस गुड। हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट योर नेम।
Sir, I feel very positive about my name because it guides me to remain stable and calm in every difficult situations of my life.
यस व्हाट्स योर फाइव स्ट्रांगनेस एंड वीकनेस इन योर लाइफ।
Sir, my strengths are that I am honest to myself, and my second strength is that I always try to complete my work, and
यस गुड।
third is
No problem. You look
Sir,
them. You
I
have to study about this topic. Yes. No problem. Next is you have qualified so many exams: STAT, CSIR, GATE. Yes. What's the meaning of these exams in our country? Can you explain?
Sir, in our country, HTET is for lecturership, and HTET particularly is only for state and GATE. After qualifying GATE in India, it has numerous options like going to PSU or taking admission in PhD.
It's good. You have qualified CSIR and GATE. Why didn't you join PhD in any institute in our
Sir,
country?
actually, before qualifying it, I have taken admission in Bachelor of Education. So I thought to complete that my 1 year of Bachelor of Education was remaining. So I thought to complete that. After that, I can join PhD.
Yes. What's your opinion about PhD? Indian research.
Sir, my personal opinion about PhD is good that we complete and do research during 4 to 5 years. But I am more job oriented rather than research oriented.
Is good. Please try to more explain regarding to PhD in Indian research. Yes. What the advantage and disadvantage of Indian research? Do you have any idea?
Sir, research in India is particularly now it has been enhanced by government by raising the stipend of GRF also, so that in India research can be taken more interest by students, and the government should also provide some stability to the research students so that they can more engage and honestly work in their research. So
Yes.
PhD, because it takes a lot of time and hard work, so if the student will be stable so that he can work more properly and with a stable mind.
Yes. Good. Yes. Next, move on. Your hobbies is yoga and listening music. Yes. What's your
Sir,
yes?
yoga yoga was practiced before many years ago, and it has been continuing till now because it has numerous health benefits and mental benefits. It cures many diseases, and it was initiated by Maharshi Patanjali. And yoga was also named in Rig Veda. And music, I like to listen soothing and instrumental music, and it changes upon the mood that what kind of music I listen.
Yes. Which type of music would you like to that?
Sorry, sir.
Which type of music would you like to get?
Sir, soothing songs and instrumental music.
Yes. Yoga Day in India. Which day is celebrated in India?
So 21st June is celebrated as Yoga Day in India.
When did it start
To
celebrating in India?
yoga,
Yes.
I don't know.
2015. Yes, from Haryana.
Okay.
Yes. Your next go through your native place is Hisar in Haryana. Yes. Hisar is your district. Yes.
Yes, sir.
What's your opinion about Hisar in your district? How do you feel?
Sir, Hisar was established by Firoz Shah Tughlaq, and it is called as Steel City of Haryana because the Savitri Jindal here has made a factory where great production of steel occurs. So it is named as Steel City of Haryana. And Firoz Shah Tughlaq has also made Gujri Mahal in his wife's name.
Yes. What's your favorite place in Hisar?
So there is a place, Deer Park in Hisar, which I like to go because deers are very rarely seen in Haryana. So there is Deer Park in Hisar where we can see the beauty of nature.
Yes. Good. Next, go through on Haryana. Yes. How do you feel about Haryana? What the history of Haryana?
So Haryana was developed on 1st November 19, I don't remember,
1969.
1960,
69.
1969. And Haryana is mostly famous because here Mahabharat have started in Kurukshetra. So particularly all over India, Haryana is named because in Kurukshetra Mahabharat was started, and Haryana has 22 districts. Also, it is more near to Punjab and Chandigarh, which is a union territory.
Yes. What's your opinion about Haryana education system?
So in Haryana, education system is developing nowadays more because in especially coaching industries also even more developing. Even in Hisar also there are almost all renowned coaching centers, and in Haryana where female feticide was more pronounced, but now awareness has been raised and people are more concerned towards girls education also.
Yes. Good. Next, go through on practical part. Yes, laboratory sections. What is laboratory in your life? What the main major role in laboratory?
So laboratory is a place where in from chemistry point of view, we from starting make different solutions and try to experiment and try to calculate their concentration, and we can also we can also extract protein from milk, that is casein, and lab experiences always always rememberable to a student because it is practical and
Yes, good. Good answer. Next, basic part regarding to laboratory. What is elemental analysis?
so elemental analysis is to analyze particular element like nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, carbon. There are different methods to analyze them: Dumas method, Kijard's method, etc. And we can also analyze two elements at a time or single element.
Yes, good. How to detect cations and anions in a lab?
Detect cations and anions.
Yes. Cation analysis, anion analysis.
Yes, sir. Um,
No problem. Right. Look there. Yes. And what is flame test? Flame test.
Flame test.
Yes.
So flame test that जो सोडियम के जो like we make
No problem. We look there. We have to study about this topic. Yes. What is
okay,
color? What is color? What is order?
so color is a chromatograph. Okay. So like what we see, color is different from the color that is getting absorbed. Like if we have so it's a combination of 7 colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. And we see different colors according to their absorption of different frequency and wavelength.
Yes. Order.
Order, order smell,
Yes. Yes.
order smell.
Yes. Order smell. Yes.
So order, like different elements have different odors, like sulfur smells like rotten egg, and like we when we smell onion, it's a different smell because in onion also sulfur is present. And odor is also that we can sense by our one of the sense organs, that is nose. And we can also judge or guess some elements by seeing their odor.
Yes, good. The next, go through on your MSc project. Yes, biofuels production. What is biofuels? Explain what the
Sir,
application of biofuels.
biofuel is a renewable energy source which is made from like municipal solid waste or raw materials like cotton, sugarcane, etc. And biofuel is also important for the sustainable development and providing clean energy to our country and this world. Biofuel is also now days in was nowadays in use because in G20 summit, Prime Minister has launched a biofuel alliance program to enhance the ethanol blending to 20%, and many nations have joined this program to maintain sustainability and providing clean energy. Biofuel is also has been made from different livestock and different methods. So they were categorized in 3 generation biofuels. Like first generation biofuel is made from raw materials like corn, corn, sugarcane, etc. And second generation biofuel is made from cellulosic material like perennial grasses we can use. And third generation biofuel is made from materials other than that.
Yes, good. What is the limitation of biofuels?
So limitation of biofuel is that because it is made from the raw materials, like if we make biofuel from sugarcane is a crop which require high intensity water, so it will be difficult to get all the biofuel from sugarcane. So also there are many regions where we can't grow sugarcane, and water availability will also be a major problem. So it so there are now finding options to make biofuels uh, from substances other than agricultural products.
Yes, good. Good analysis. Next, go through on your VRC. Yes, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Yes.
Sir,
What do you know about BRC?
Bhabha Atomic Research Center was earlier named as Atomic Energy Establishment in Bombay.
Yes.
After the death of Homi Jahangir Bhabha in 1966, it was named after him, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. And Bhabha has launched his first nuclear reactor named as Apsara. And BARC comes under Department of Atomic Energy, which is directly overseen by the Prime Minister of India. Bhabha Atomic Research Centers, there are 5 atomic centers and 22 nuclear reactors. And the director of Bhabha Atomic Research Center is Shri Vivek Bhasin, and the motto of BARC is Atoms in the Service of Nation.
Yes, good. Why will you become a scientific assistant in BRC?
Sir, I want to become scientific assistant in BRC because it is the most prestigious nuclear research center in India, and it governs and serves a more important and most important role in our country. So, by working as a scientific assistant in BARC, I can be a part of. I can be a part of their service to the nation. So it will be a more honorable and proud position for me.
Yes, good. What is scientist? What's the major responsibility of scientists in our country? Explain 5-10 points.
So scientist is a person who sees things differently and from different point of view. He analyzes the things in environment from a broader point of view, and he discovers new things by observation and working and experimenting. Scientist is a person who dedicate his life to his discovery and to his work. Scientists can, and the major responsibilities of scientists while working in any of the institutes or any of the centers is to remain and honest towards his work and his team members and cooperate with his team. And also the scientist should work for his country so that India can be more developed and
Yes, good point. As a scientist, how can you live a clean and green life?
sir, as a scientist, I can prefer a lifestyle which is not more luxurious, and I can follow a healthy lifestyle like naturally living in an green environment and doing exercise and meditation daily so that I can it helps me also and I can also work betterly and the scientists can also help in like there are many natural sources which can be used and like we can decrease the greenhouse gases emission so that it will also be beneficial to our country and this world and also the if like the pollution is more increasing so that it the air quality index can also be maintained if we maintain to stop using vehicles like we can prefer to go on cycle if possible rather than going by a car.
Yes, good point. Next, you talk about the pollution. Yes, now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, you living in Haryana. The NCR is more polluted sections in
Yes, sir.
India. Delhi is more polluted city in the world. Yes. As a scientist,
Yes,
how
sir.
to control pollution in India? What's your way?
Sir, as I can mind nowadays the vehicles use of vehicles is more increasing so and also the we can decrease this use of CFCs and other substances that increase greenhouse gases by growing trees also, sir.
Yes. Yes, you talk about greenhouse gases. How many greenhouse gases? Which factor affected in greenhouse gases in environment?
Which factor announced?
Yes. Which factors, the gases harmful for our society and environment?
So chlorofluorocarbons is more responsible for causing greenhouse.
Chlorofluorocarbon is more affected in ozone layer. Yes, I'm talking about the greenhouse gases. Yes, also CFC is greenhouse gases.
So like methane and
Yes, methane, vapor water, SO2, NO2.
yes, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide that are also responsible for acid rain.
Yes. Which ministry under of BRC?
Sir, BARC is directly overseen by the Prime Minister of India. BARC comes under Department of Atomic Energy,
Yes.
which is directly overseen by the Prime Minister of India. Sir, after getting schedule of interview, how many days will be given?
Something 20, 25.
Oh, sir,
Suppose you, yes, yes.
Is scientific assistant got can get promoted to scientific officer?
No. Scientific
No.
officer is different department. Scientific assistant
Okay.
in promoted in senior scientist. Scientific assistant is
There are
different
no.
department. Scientific officer is different department, and technical officer is different department. Promotion is different department. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Suppose you will be selected in BRC scientist. Yes, ma'am. How do you see yourself after 10 years? What will you change in BRC system?
Sir, while working in BARC, 10 years is a major time which can increase and enhance my knowledge about the BARC system and the knowledge about the work I have been doing. So after knowing the and gaining the knowledge and analyzing the system properly and the kind of work that I am doing properly, then I can complete and work hard properly so that I can do my best to the extent so that I can improve the system as much I can do.
Yes, good. Good analysis today. Yeah, next day we will discuss your coordination topic. Yes, no? Completely, yes.
Okay, sir.
Coordination.
Next will be on
Next day, yes. Your daily time is
tomorrow.
5 p.m. Yes, no? Because today I'm outside, so busy in work. So your daily time is 5 p.m. Yes, no?
You can also take at night if possible, sir. If the time allows.
Now,